Hey everyone, and I'm back with another unboxing. Today we have iPhone 13 Pro Max in golden color for unboxing. So let's start by examining the box. So the box is very minimalistic, as some of you might already know that this contains only the phone and the charging cable. There is no charging brick included. So the box is very minimalistic. It's very thin. It's not very thick as it used to be. The front of the box shows the actual sized image of the phone, and this is how big the phone is, and this is how it looks from the back side. Looking towards the side, we have iPhone branding. Once again, very minimalistic, nothing much. Looking towards the back, we have the new pull tab designs. This is how we unpack the phone. There is no more plastic. Let's get into the box. Here you go. iPhone 13 Pro Max in golden color. This is a nice small pull tab to take your phone out. So this is actual phone. So on the front you have this paper to protect your screen, and if you look closely there are like tiny icons showing you where your point of interests are. For example, this is your mute toggle button. These are your volume up and down rockers, your power button, and this is your charging spot. Unfortunately, there is no USB-C, so yeah, you still need your lightning cable. So let's put it on the side. What else we have in the packing is the cable, charging cable. This is USB-C to lightning, and this is very minimalistic paperwork. Apple sticker, yeah, they're still providing these. User guide or something. Yeah, it's not user guide, it's just safety and handling. Yeah. And this is your SIM ejector. That's it. This is what you get in the box. So looking closely at the phone, we have stainless steel shiny golden bezels. As you can already see that these are attracting fingerprints. So you'll have to keep it clean or just protect it with the case. So on the right side, we have power on off switch. On the left side, you have a toggle switch to mute or silent your phone, volume up and down keys. And this is your SIM tray. On top, there's nothing. On bottom, you have speakers and you have your charging port, which is not USB-C, if you are wondering. On the back, we have triple camera setup, and looking closely, this camera bump is a little bit bigger than the previous model. Let's turn it on. Hello. And now you can simply set up your phone the usual Apple way. So that's it for today. I'll make another video about the detailed software review and other features that I've liked. Till then, take care, and I'll see you again with the next video. Goodbye.